Hi there! In this video, we'll learn about validation rules in Salesforce. What are validation rules in Salesforce? Validation rules in Salesforce help make sure the data entered into a record is correct by checking that the information meets specific criteria. If the data doesn't match the rules, Salesforce gives the user an error message and stops them from saving the record. Why do we use validation rules? We use validation rules to ensure our data is accurate. For example, imagine a salesperson is entering a close date for a deal. You don't want them to enter a date in the past by mistake. A validation rule would make sure the date is in the future before they can save the record. Here's a real-time example. Let's say you work in customer service and you're creating a new case. You have a rule that ensures the priority field must always be filled in before the case can be submitted. Without this, the case might not get handled properly. This validation rule makes sure the case has all the necessary information, preventing errors and ensuring smooth operations. How to create validation rules in Salesforce? Let's create a validation rule. Log into Salesforce and go to the Setup menu. Navigate to the Object Manager and select it. Choose the object you want to add the validation rule to. Let's use the Opportunity object as an example. Once in the object settings, scroll down and click on Validation Rules. Then click New to create a new validation rule. Give your validation rule a name. Make sure the rule is active. In the Formula Editor, enter the formula that validates the close date. Insert the close date field. Select Today from the functions. We'll use the formula close date today. This formula means the close date must be greater than today's date. Write an error message that the user will see if the rule is violated. For example, close date must be a future date. Choose where the error message will appear. You can choose the specific field, like the close date field. Finally, click Save to apply your validation rule. Navigate to the Opportunity page. Select the opportunity you want to edit. Go to its Detail page. Test the rule by trying to enter a past date in the close date field. Click Save. The validation rule will stop you from saving it. You can see the error message at the close date field. And that's it. You've just created a validation rule in Salesforce. This simple tool helps keep your data clean and accurate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.